Hello students, today I am going to continue the exercise 4.3, that is factorization chapter from the book M.L. Agarwal, that is from class 9 book. Okay, factorization chapter, exercise 4.3, question number 8. 8 का first part, x minus 2y minus x square plus 4y, it is given and you have to factorize. Just see, first to copy the question. X minus 2y make one group, and from the last to take minus common, it will be x square minus 4y square. Now x minus 2y, this will be x का whole square minus 2y का whole square. A square minus b square formula you have to apply. This will be x minus 2y whole into x plus 2y. From here you can take x minus 2y common, as it is common. X minus 2y taken common. What is left? 1 left here minus x plus 2y. Now x minus 2y, this is outside. If I open this bracket, this will be 1 minus x and this will be minus 2y. This is the answer of number 8 ka first part. Now come to the second part. The second part, 8 question given 4a square minus b square plus 2a plus b. Do one thing here, 4a square means 2a ka whole square. This is b ka whole square. A square minus b square formula you have to apply here. The second one, 2a plus b, make one group here. A square minus b square formula 2a minus b, second one 2a plus b, and plus 2a plus b. Now you see this 2a plus b can be taken common. Take it outside. 2a plus b, what left here? 2a minus b and plus 1. The final answer will be 2a plus b, one factor, another factor will be 2a minus b plus 1. This is the answer. Let us go question number 9. Question number 9, what is given? Just to see. 9 question given. 9 first part. A whole into a minus 2 minus b whole into b minus 2. This is the question given. How to solve? How to open the bracket? This will be a square minus 2a, and if we multiply this one, this will be minus b square plus 2b. Now make the group like this. A square minus b square one group, and minus 2a plus 2b another group. From here you have to apply a square minus b square formula, that is a minus b, a plus b. From the last two you have to take minus 2 common. What left? A left, and this will be minus b left. Now from here you can take a minus b common. Take it outside, a minus b. After that, what is left here? A plus b and minus 2. Just write in proper manner. A minus b whole into a plus b minus 2. This is the answer of number 9 first part. Let us go 9 second part. 9 का second part question given a whole into a minus 1 and minus b whole into b minus 1. Just open the bracket. This will be a square minus a, and this will be minus b square plus b. Now make the group like this. A square minus b square one group, and minus a plus b another group. A square minus b square means a minus b whole into a plus b. The second one, from the last we take minus 1 common. What left? A minus b. Now a minus b can be taken common. Take it outside, a minus b. What left? A plus b minus 1. This is the answer of 9 second part. Next you see number 10. Question number 10 first part, it is given 9 minus x square plus 2xy and minus y square. This is the question given number 10 first part. 9 means you can add 3 ka whole square. From the last 3 you take minus common. X square, this will be minus 2xy and this will be plus y square. Just sign will be changed after taking minus common. This is 3 ka whole square. X square minus 2xy plus y square means x minus y ka whole square. Now a square minus b square formula you have to apply. 3 minus x minus y. Next one will be 3 plus x minus y. Now just open the bracket 3 minus x as it is minus sign given before bracket minus x plus y. Second one no change as is plus sign given 3 plus x minus y. Number 10 first part complete. Second part question given 9x to the power 4 minus inside the bracket given x square plus 2x plus 1. It is given 9x to the 4 means 3x square का whole square and this is whose whole square? X plus 1 का whole square. Now you have to apply a square minus b square formula. A means 3x square, b means x plus 1. 3x square a minus b, that is b means here x plus 1. Just apply formula. A minus b whole into a plus b. A means here 3x square plus x plus 1. Now if I open this bracket, this will be 3x square minus x, this will be minus 1. Second one 3x square plus x plus 1. In this one number 10 second part also completed. Today last number I will do, that is number 11. Up to 11 I will do. Okay, just see number 11 first part second part. Question number 11 first part is given 9x to the power 4 minus x square minus 12x minus 36. This is nothing but 3x square ka whole square. From the last 3 you have to take minus common. What will be inside the bracket? X square, this will be plus 12x and plus 36. Now this is 3x square ka whole square and last x square plus 12x plus 36 means x plus 6 ka whole square. X plus 6 ka whole square. Now a square minus b square formula. A means here 3x square, a minus b, that is x plus 6. The second one will be a plus b, that is 3x square plus x plus 6. Okay. Now open the bracket. This will be 3x square minus x and minus 6. Second one it will be 3x square plus x plus 6. This is the answer of number 11 first part. Now come to 11 second part. 11 second part question given x cube minus 5x square minus x plus 5. This is the question given. Very carefully you have to study the question what is given here. From the first two you have to take x square common. What left here? X minus 5. From the last two you have to take minus 1 common. What left? X minus 5. Now you see x minus 5 can be taken common. Take it outside. After taking common x minus 5, what is left here? X square left minus 1 left. Again it can be factorized. This is x minus 5 whole into x square minus 1 means x square minus 1 ka whole square. A minus b means x minus 1 x plus 1 using a square minus b square formula. 11 second part complete. Okay. In this way up to 11 I have completed. Next I will do more. Thank you for today's class.